believe that they are a friend, philosopher and a guide to every student that they have. My name is Arjun Gupta and I'm currently in the 12th standard in DPS International School. I live in New Delhi and I've been involved with Athena Education for university counseling for the past 2 years. Well, it was definitely the proudest moment ever because I mean, it's one of the best universities in the world and it's been a dream not only for me, but I think for every student out there. We all have always just dreamt of getting into Cambridge. And obviously, like, I was very grateful for all the effort and energy that Athena's team, Rahul sir and Moksha ma'am and Vinny ma'am, everybody, that all the energy and all the effort that they've put into making my application a successful one. So it was just it was a moment of pride and gratefulness, for sure. At Athena, I think every student will say that it's more of a self-exploration journey instead of it being a student or a personal mentorship program, because through various assignments that they give you, or through for example, the AOS, the deep AOS assignment, which is for the audience, the autobiography of a student, I was able to explore myself better and understand the different facets and tenets of my personality better, which I hadn't done before. And with the help of the counselors and the specialists at Athena, I was able to understand my own passions and what my deep driving desire, or what Rahul sir refers to as the DDD is. So what actually drives the actions or the activities that I undertake. So that was actually something that was established very early on in my process at Athena, and after that all the activities or all the aspects of my application were built upon that foundation. And that is how it's changed me for the better, is because it's made me understand who I am as a person. And that is, I think, very important and definitely invaluable. When I first came to Athena, the only experience or the only major extracurricular activity that I was involved with was community service. So there were, for example, I was doing work in the women's sector, or for childcare, or for farmers. But the first day that I went to Rahul sir, it was more, the first question that he asked me was, what is that one particular thing that you really care about? Is it, for example, be precise. Is it for women? Is it for childcare? Is it the rural sector? Like, what is that one particular thing that you're passionate about and that you would like to work on wholeheartedly for the next 2 years? So I discovered, very early on, that it was rural India that I wanted to develop on. So that is why my entire personal theme and strategy was kind of molded accordingly, and it was to fit what my interests and what my passions are. So I was in general, I was able to leverage my strength of creating a positive change in society by inculcating that aspect of it in every part of my application, and that kind of showed through, I believe, through the different projects that I undertook, may that be the liberal arts project or the leadership project or the different or my research report or my book that I wrote. So through all these various projects, my interest in making a positive change or generating a positive impact for the society was very evident, and I think Athena's team really made sure that that happened effectively. My favorite part about Athena is that the counselors that students are given at Athena or Athena's team, they're not just your counselors or your mentors or your teachers, but they're also your buddies and your friends at the same time. So what that kind of a relationship does is that you're able to explain yourself better to the people who are kind of developing your portfolio or who are working on your application. So all your passions come through in your application, and that can only happen when your teacher or the person who's instructing you or kind of guiding you knows exactly what kind of a person you are and knows about your personality in depth. And that can only happen if you have that kind of a friendly relation and you share that kind of a relation with your mentors. So I was very grateful for that, and I believe that every student at Athena would be. Throughout my journey at Athena, I was always, encouraged by Rahul and his team at Athena to push myself and go beyond my comfort zone and challenge myself. But doing that in all my activities, I really saw how I was becoming a better version of myself, and that is very important, because if you're being fake, or if you're not being exactly who you are, that kind of really shows on paper, and your admissions officers will really be able to make that out. One life lesson that I learned was that you should always challenge yourself, because that will definitely make you a better version of yourself, and that will show through all the activities, or whatever would be the activities that you undertake. I'd use the adage friend, philosopher and guide. That is what Athena was to me, and I believe that they are a friend, philosopher and a guide to every student that they have.